Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Thank you for watching. In this video, you will travel around Hawaii with Ken and Ellie and learn simple, natural English through their conversations. Don't worry, all the English is spoken slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to the conversation and try to find the answer. Here is today's question. What word in Hawaii means hello, goodbye, kindness, and love? The answer is mentioned in the video. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can practice English output and improve your English step by step. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Wow, it's so warm here.
Yes, welcome to Hawaii, Ken.
Thank you. The air feels nice, very nice.
Hawaii is always warm, all year, every season.
Really? No winter?
Well, there is winter, but it's still warm, not cold like other places.
That's amazing. I like it already.
Good. Hawaii is a relaxing place. People come here to rest.
I can feel it. The air is different, soft and warm.
Yes, many people say that. The air in Hawaii feels special.
Ellie, I'm a little worried. My English is not perfect.
That's okay. Perfect English is not necessary. I understand you very well.
Really? You understand me?
Yes, of course. Let's speak slowly. Let's use easy words. That's enough.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Good. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay.
Thank you. That sounds good.
Perfect. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Great. Let's go to Waikiki. You will love it there.
I'm excited. Let's go. The sky is so blue here.
Yes, it's beautiful. Look at those palm trees.
I see many palm trees. Very tall, very green.
Hawaii has many palm trees. They are everywhere, on every street.
I love it. It feels like a dream.
Hawaii is like a dream for many people.
Oh, I see a sign. It says, Aloha.
Yes, people say aloha a lot in Hawaii.
Aloha means hello?
Yes, it means hello. When you meet someone, you say aloha.
Okay, that's easy.
But it also means goodbye.
Hello and goodbye? The same word?
Yes, the same word. When someone leaves, you also say aloha.
That's interesting. One word for two things.
And there is more.
More? What else?
Aloha also means kindness and love.
Kindness and love in one word?
Yes, like caring for other people, being warm and friendly, helping others.
Wow, one word, so many meanings.
Yes, it's a beautiful word. It's very important in Hawaii.
Nice word. I really like it.
Hawaiian people are very friendly. They have aloha spirit.
Aloha spirit? What is that?
It means they are kind to everyone. They welcome all people. They share love.
That's really nice. I feel welcome already.
Good. That's the aloha spirit. You can feel it everywhere in Hawaii.
I want to have aloha spirit too.
You already do. You are kind and friendly, Ken.
Thank you, Ellie. Aloha.
Aloha.
This hotel is big. Very big.
Yes, it's a nice hotel. One of the best in Waikiki. Let's go inside.
The lobby is beautiful. So many flowers.
I like the flowers too. They smell so good. These are Hawaiian flowers.
What are they called?
These are plumeria. Very common in Hawaii. Very beautiful smell.
Plumeria. I will remember that.
Good. You are learning new words already.
Our room is on the 10th floor?
Yes, the 10th floor. It has a very nice view.
What kind of view?
Ocean view. You can see the ocean from the room.
Ocean view? Really? We can see the ocean?
Yes, really. Let's go up and see. You will be surprised.
Wow! Look at this view.
Beautiful, right? I told you.
I can see the beach. I can see the ocean. The water is so blue, so clear.
Yes, Waikiki Beach is very close to this hotel.
How close is it?
Very close. We can walk there. Maybe 5 minutes, maybe less.
5 minutes? That's amazing. So close.
Yes, in Waikiki, most hotels are near the beach. That's why people love Waikiki.
You can walk everywhere?
Yes, hotels, restaurants, shops, beach. Everything is close. Very convenient.
I love this room. I love this view. I don't want to leave.
Me too, but we should go to the beach later.
Yes, I want to see the beach up close.
Let's rest a little first. Then let's go to the beach.
Good idea. I'm a little tired from the flight.
Rest well. The beach is waiting for us.
Oh my, the beach is so beautiful. More beautiful than pictures.
Yes, this is Waikiki Beach. It's famous around the world.
The water is so clear. I can see the bottom. I can see the sand.
Yes, the water is very clear here and warm, perfect for swimming.
There are so many people here.
Yes, many tourists come to Waikiki from all over the world, and many local people come too.
Everyone looks happy.
Yes, the beach makes people happy. It's a happy place.
Look over there. People are surfing.
Yes, surfing is very popular in Hawaii. Very, very popular.
They look so cool, so free.
Do you know something interesting? Surfing was born in Hawaii.
Really? Surfing started here in Hawaii?
Yes, Hawaiian people invented surfing long, long ago, hundreds of years ago.
I didn't know that. That's amazing.
It's a big part of Hawaiian culture. Children surf, old people surf, many people enjoy it.
Young and old? Everyone can try?
Yes, surfing is for everyone. It's part of life here.
Is it difficult to learn?
At first, yes, it's a little difficult, but many beginners try here in Waikiki.
Why Waikiki?
Because the waves are not too big. The waves are gentle, good for learning.
I see. That's good for beginners like me.
Yes, this beach is perfect for first-time surfers.
I want to try surfing.
Really? That's great. I'm happy to hear that.
Maybe tomorrow? Can we try tomorrow?
Sure. There are many surf schools here. Teachers help beginners. They are very patient.
Good. I'm a little nervous, but I really want to try.
That's the spirit. Being nervous is normal, but you will have fun.
I hope so.
Let's sit here and watch for a while. We can learn by watching.
Okay. Oh, look, the sunset is starting.
Yes, Hawaiian sunsets are so beautiful. Let's enjoy this moment.
This is perfect. The beach, the surfers, the sunset.
Welcome to Hawaii, Ken.
I'm very hungry now.
Me too, very hungry. Let's eat something good.
What should we eat?
Let's try Hawaiian food. This cafe has very good local food.
Local food? What is local food in Hawaii?
Hawaiian food is very interesting. It's a mix of many cultures.
A mix? What do you mean?
American food, Japanese food, Chinese food, Korean food, all mixed together.
So many different foods mixed together?
Yes, Hawaii has people from many countries, so the food is a mix, very unique.
That sounds really interesting. I want to try.
Good. Let's look at the menu together. I will explain.
Okay. What is this one?
This is loco moco. It's very famous in Hawaii.
Loco moco? What's in it?
It's rice on the bottom, with a hamburger patty on top and a fried egg on top of that.
Rice with hamburger and fried egg?
Yes, and gravy on top. Gravy is like meat sauce, brown and savory.
That sounds really delicious and filling.
It is. It's a very popular dish. Many people love it.
What about this one? Poke?
Poke is another famous Hawaiian food.
What is poke exactly?
It's raw fish, cut into small pieces, like sashimi, but different.
How is it different from sashimi?
Poke has sauce on it and vegetables, sometimes rice too. Very fresh and tasty.
Oh, I like sashimi. I think I will like poke too.
Yes, you probably will. It's delicious.
What about dessert? Any good desserts?
Yes, shave ice. It's very popular in Hawaii. Everyone loves it.
Shave ice? Is it like ice cream?
No, it's different. It's ice, very soft, fluffy ice with sweet syrup on top.
What flavors?
Many flavors. Strawberry, mango, coconut. You can choose.
Sounds very refreshing.
Yes, very refreshing. Perfect for hot days like today.
Okay, I want to try loco moco first.
Good choice. I will have the poke bowl. Let's order.
Excuse me, can I have the loco moco, please?
And can I have the poke bowl, please? Thank you.
We ordered by ourselves in English.
Yes, you did great, Ken. Very natural.
This loco moco is so good, really, really good.
Really? I'm so glad you like it.
The egg is perfect, the gravy is perfect, everything is perfect.
Hawaiian food is simple, but it's very delicious.
Very delicious. I want to eat this again tomorrow and the next day.
We have more days in Hawaii. You can try many different things.
I'm so happy. Good food, good weather, good company.
That's what Hawaii is about.
The sunset is so beautiful tonight.
Yes, this is my favorite time in Hawaii, the evening.
The sky is orange and pink and purple. So many colors.
Hawaiian sunsets are famous for having many colors. Every night is different.
It's so peaceful here, so quiet and calm.
Yes, I love this feeling. Time moves slowly here.
Time moves slowly?
Yes, Hawaiian people don't hurry. They don't rush.
They don't hurry. Really?
No, they take their time. They enjoy each moment. They don't stress.
That's so different from my country.
How is it in your country?
In my country, everyone is very busy, always rushing, always working.
I understand. Many places are like that. But here, it's different.
Yes, I can feel it. The air is different. The feeling is different.
Here, they say, take it easy.
Take it easy. I like that phrase.
Yes, it means don't worry too much. Relax. Enjoy life.
Take it easy. I want to remember that.
It's a good way to live, not just in Hawaii, everywhere.
You're right. I should take it easy more often.
So, Ken, how was today? Your first day in Hawaii?
Today was amazing. Really amazing. One of the best days.
What did you enjoy most?
Everything. I learned new words, I saw beautiful places, I tried delicious food.
You did so many things today.
Yes, and I spoke English all day, the whole day.
That's right, you did. How do you feel about that?
I feel good, actually. I feel proud, a little proud of myself.
You should feel proud. You did really great today, Ken.
Thank you, but my English is not perfect. I made many mistakes.
That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes, but people understood you.
Yes, that's true. People understood me. We communicated.
That's what matters. Perfect English is not important.
Really? Perfect English is not important?
Really, communication is important. Understanding each other is important. Connection is important.
Connection. I like that word.
When you connect with people, that's real communication, not perfect grammar.
I understand now. I feel more confident. Just a little more confident.
That's enough. A little confidence every day. That's how we learn, step by step.
Step by step. I will remember that too.
You are doing great, Ken. Keep going.
Thank you, Ellie, for today, for helping me, for everything.
Thank you too, Ken. I had so much fun today.
Tomorrow we surf? We try surfing?
Yes, tomorrow we surf. I can't wait.
Me too. I'm nervous but excited.
That's the best feeling. Nervous but excited. It means something good is coming.
But now, let's just watch the sunset. Let's enjoy this moment.
Yes, let's take it easy.
Take it easy. Aloha, Hawaii.
Aloha, Ken. Welcome to Hawaii. Welcome to your English journey.
Aloha.
Aloha.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed traveling around Hawaii and learning English at the same time. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What word in Hawaii means hello, goodbye, kindness, and love? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Even one word is okay. By practicing English output like this, you can build confidence little by little. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories to help beginners learn English without stress. I also offer channel membership. If you want to study English more consistently, please check the membership. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Take it easy and aloha. Bye.